Hey y'all, it's Sarah. I've got two new Miniverse. These are the Valentines. I have not seen these other than just now what I'm seeing on the package. I've been painting, so just ignore that. But my husband brought these home for me today, and I haven't looked at this series at all, so this is a complete surprise to me. And I'm not even going to goof around. I'm jumping right in. So I'm going to guess, looking at this outer portion, it shows all the little images on it are donuts. So we're going to see if that's what's actually in the package, because this one has something different on it. Ta-da! That is cute. That is very cute. My little table there. Put those to the side. Oh, there's something with tissue paper. I do love the little bits of tissue paper. Oh my goodness, it's got hearts on it. That is so cute. That's getting saved. So there is a red tray with some little tissue paper insert in it. Oh, this one already helped itself out. It's got a heart topper for here. It's got a little spatula. I don't really keep all my tongs, if I'm being honest with y'all. I usually toss most of them. This looks like the resin. And let's see what's in here. It says food dye, so we'll see what that is. Red velvet crumbs, cute. There's my little spout. And it looks like I was correct in that little outer packaging. I don't always pay attention to that, but I noticed a couple times before with the seasonal ones that about to destroy this box trying to get it open. It is cute little heart donuts. Well, that one's different than the other guys. Even the little center is heart shaped. Those are pretty cute. And I'm not sure what's in this last package. Oh, well, then I wonder what's in this one. I guess they're both resin. Maybe one is pink and one is white. I'm going to assume. Okay, let's find out what's in the other one then. This one looks like it has a, kind of looks like petite fours maybe of some sort. Like little heart-shaped cupcakes. Not sure, it might have helped if I looked at the little insert. But when it's a new to me series, it's more fun to just be surprised. So that's what the packaging is showing. Let's find out if that's actually what's in there. Alright, where's my perforations? Here we go. Oh, they have an arrow on that now. Thank you guys. I guess you can tell some of us have a hard time seeing. Oh no, it's not actually perforated though. I feel so ridiculous when I try to open these. It's a disaster. I never get it down that perforation just right. Okay, we got her. Pop it open. Dump all that out. That is cute too. I didn't know they were all going to be different. So I'm going to go ahead and pull my little inserts to the side. How fun is that? I think I'd rather have white bases for both of them, personally. Oh. Oh, no. Okay, so what is on the outside maybe isn't indicative of what's inside, because this looks like the fondue set. How lucky am I? That's so fun. Look, so cute. This is my silverware of some sort. Yep, there's my tongs. And another little spatula. And I'll try to put this in right now before I lose it. By the way, these little things like this, let's see if I've got one of the little bottles handy. Found one. This is the little Dollar Tree bottle, the cork. I accidentally pushed my cork inside, but I don't remember how many's in a pack of these little guys. But if y'all did not know, I love it with the frosted white ones. They look super cute, but they fit perfectly. The little ball toppers fit perfectly in those Dollar Tree jars. So let's see what else is in here. There is some chocolate. Looks like my little fondue pot. Oh, it is heart-shaped. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's got some assembly required. How cute is that? I love that they're steadily making more interactive pieces. So I snapped it together. Just gonna pop it in place. I'm guessing this is my sweet treats. So there's pineapple, strawberries, wow, marshmallows, and cake bites. And I think that was all the components for this one. So those are pretty cute. Now I'm gonna check really quick while we're hanging out. Let's look at what else is available in the set. Cupid float, conversation hearts, heart donuts, and the fondue. Those are pretty cute. I feel pretty lucky because I feel like the fondue is definitely something I can use for more than one occasion. I tend to make things general use instead of like they are on the packaging, since I do have my dollhouse setups and my big kitchen. Obviously, after opening those, my kitchen is a little bit of a mess. Those are super cute. I can't wait to test these out. I haven't played with any of their newer versions of the resin, so you may end up seeing me still use some of the older resin first, just because I still have plenty of the original resin, and I know to be cautious with resin since I play with resin in other ways. I love this. This would be such a cute way to package a gift, put some candy in there, and just have a cute little Valentine's for someone. So that's all I wanted to share. I was excited to get it, and couldn't wait to look to see what was in those. Now I know that the outer packaging isn't always correct, because I feel like that did not show fondue. That's all I got to share. Hope to talk to you guys soon. Bye, y'all.